Hey everybody's, we're fixing stuff. Yeah, we got a lot of screws here. 3, 4, 5. Whoop. That happens a lot. I got the DeWalt outside. Yeah, we're ready. We got our wood ready. We did a lot of gluing last night. Glue. And if you mix it with this, it's wonderful. And yeah, I'm the glue expert. And what we're gonna do is take this out here, I think. Oh, we already got one. So hold everything. Anyway, what we're doing is fixing this. I'll show you. Good morning. Yeah, coffee times. All right. So over here in the auxiliary garage number 2, we have this. See, inside this Vaughn. Right there, it's missing. See, it's missing. That's missing, homie. Oh no, that's missing. This right here. This right here, missing. Come on, man. So anyway, we're just rebuilding that part. Don't ask me how it got broken, but it did. And yeah, it's quite messy under here. I'm sure those of you who care really want to see what's under here, and you can see there's been some leakage under there. And yeah, General Motors, they're amazing. So I'm going to be buttoning this up. I might have to get some rust proofing stuff, but it's a mess. Yeah, this whole rug in this van needs to come out, or probably this whole back end unfolded, and then rip out the old stinky padding, which is garbage. But so that's there, and here it is upside down. See? That's it, upside down. That's it, upside down. Yeah. So we're just because it broke right here, we glued it overnight. We'll put that wood underneath there, and it's just gonna be just, you won't believe it. It'll be just beautiful. Pardon me. I'm adjusting my new holder for the phone. It's gonna go this way, so see you shortly. And you put it in right in the middle is good. Okay, so what's happening with that? So you'll be able to watch me saw or screw this in. Big deal, right? Big friggin' deal, homies. Whoa, what's going on there? All right. Yeah. And there you go. We're gonna screw that in. And, you know, let's make this like that. Hello? No, that's the best I can do over here. So this is ready. We're gonna put the, it's already marked underneath. We're gonna put this 2x4 under it for no reason whatsoever. So the thing stays in place right there. Works for me. I see a problem. So this 2x4 could be shorter. All right. So it tells me we're gonna need 2x4 number 2. Wait. Yeah, we'll handle it. Alright, we got screws of all types, but we already picked out 5 that are gonna do the job. And so what we want to do here is we're going to hold this together, just give you an idea of what that looks like. It's just a piece of hell plastic, again overnight, lots of glue. What we got to do is take these two like that, and we're just going to put it as wide as this. We can actually go a little wider. Then we're going to put this like that and pray that that doesn't move, which looks like it's not going to move. And then we're going to drill into this thing and finish it off. Something's moving in here. There. And that's it right there. So the first one we want to do is actually going to be right over here. So let's move this to there temporarily. Take a look at it. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, everything's already marked here. See? Marked. Nice. Very nice. And we're ready to zip it in, as long as my battery holds out. We will use one that drills first, just a little bit. So you ask me, John, did you double check that this fit is okay? No, I did not. That's fine. Okay, coming out. And now we're going to put the right screw in. We're going to do a test on this one here. A little spit on it. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for the spit. Because that's how I get craps done. Okay. It's being a pain. There we go. And we have the drill on really super. Very super. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to do this side. This side. This side. Oh, babes. What's going on with this? Is this thing all right? Can you guys see? Let me look at the, yeah, it looks all right. It looks to me like this is actually going to work. I'll be right back. I'm going to get the yeah, so for each one, I'm going to just use this this one here that's self-tapping. Yep. And then we're going to put in the black one. Really hard. All right. That seems to be okay. I don't know. All right, now we're going to do one here and one over here, and we're done. Coming out. In with this one. Uh-oh. Yeah, I mean, I used to move a lot of furniture, but not anymore, so I don't care about these metal bolts. Okay, in. 1, 2, 3. I thought there was 5 total. I guess not. Oh, it's one. There's one way over here. No, I got that one. 2. That's weird. Oh, there's one here. Okay, we'll do that one too, I guess. Yeah. But let me get this other one. Self tap. Take it out. New one in. Permanent. Forever. And then one last one in the center of this. Oh, we're doing so good. We're doing so good. Self-tapper. Got the right bit. Coming out. And putting the black one in. And let's check the other side, see if it's split or not. Oh boys, nothing split. That's great. Oh, we have to drill one more hole here. That's for, you know, this secures it down. We gotta drill one more hole here, through here. These all secure it down. Found out that this thing was built on a Friday, so these end ones that are kind of hidden in the van are not, have no screws. Never seen a screw in their lives. On both ends. Virgins. Very lazy, those guys at the factory in Baltimore. Anyway, that's a success. That's glue on both sides, you know, in a temporary way, and then that's what it's going to look like in the end. I'm just going to finish making that hole, and then the long screw that goes into my van will fit. Hi-yo! And that's the repair of the day. You know, extra special. Hey, thanks so much for, yeah, I have my safety glasses on too. Thanks so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing my video. Peace out.